This video will show you how to pick rocket motors really quick using RockSim-Pro. So what you'll do is you'll come to this button right here, which is the Prepare for Launch button. We'll click on that, and then what I want you to do is to come down here to Recommend Motors. What this is going to do is going to allow RockSim to run every rocket motor that will fit in the rocket, and it will select those motors that will do the best job at giving a safe flight. So first of all, notice here these are recommended launch conditions. Now you can ignore these and use your values, but for when you're just getting started, we recommend that you use the recommended conditions. So for the only thing you need to do on here is to set the launch guide length based on your rocket. Since this is a small rocket, I'm just using a 3-foot long launch rod. And when I run recommended conditions, what it does is it looks in the database and it found 25 motors, and it ran simulations for all of them, and it found that these motors right here are the ones that are recommended. You'll notice when we started we were on the flight simulation tab, but when it finished it switched over to the recommended motors tab. And so these are the motors that it recommends, and you can see in this column here the motors that it does recommend. And if you want to see all the motors, you can hit show, uncheck the show recommended motors, and it will show you all the motors that it did run. You can see a number of these simulations it said it was unsafe. So for this D3 motor, it said the liftoff speed was unsafe, so you'll probably not want to use that motor based on these launch conditions. It doesn't mean that you can't use the D3, but for these launch conditions it's unsafe. Particularly the liftoff speed, a lot of times if you use a longer launch rod, it will become safe. So instead of using a 3-foot launch rod, I can switch to a 4-foot long launch rod, or a 5-foot long launch rod, and then run it again, and we'll see that now there's 18 motors that will work where previously there was 15. Again, I can change this column to show only recommended motors, and then it ignores everything else.